everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Beth, and today we're exploring one of the most peaceful places in all of Alberta, the Nika Yuko Japanese Garden here in Lethbridge. This stunning garden was built in 1967 to celebrate the friendship between Canada and Japan. Nika comes from Nihon and Canada. Pretty cool, right? Everyone here is super welcoming, and yes, you can even wear a yukata or kimono during your visit. The moment you step inside, it's like entering another world. The layout follows traditional Japanese garden principles. Everything from the stones to the water features has meaning. If you are lucky, you can catch a traditional tea ceremony right here in the pavilion. It's such a beautiful meditative experience.
Ano ba kami sa vlog mo?
Oh, syempre, okay lang ba? Okay. Ayan, napaka-peaceful ng environment dito sa Nika Yuko Japanese Garden. Ano to? What are these, Darna? Are these blueberries? Wow! Apple, oh. Those are apple. And these are another fruit-bearing tree. Oh, see? Do you like here? Oh, see? Ang ganda. Dito masarap malilim. Ah, no? Oh, yun, oh. Ang daming trees dito. Mga lilim. Pero dito, hindi pwedeng magpiknikan. Bow. Keep off the grass. Keep off the grass. Maano sila sa ganyang design, no? Yung may mga water na papaligiran yung house nila. Ang ganda yung ano. Ang relaxing. Ang sarap magtampisaw. Do not walk on rocks, please. Yan. Bawal apakan din. Talagang inaano nila. Pinipreserve nila, oh. Please do not walk on the throw the flat stones. Oh, may mini bridge. Wow. Ang ganda. Yan, oh. Bawal nga palang mag-step sa grass. Kaya kahit gusto mo dun magpa-picture, hindi pwede. May message.
Oy, that's enough.
Naku.
If you're ever in southern Alberta, this is a must-see. Whether you're into history, culture, or just need a quiet escape, Nikayuko Garden delivers.
Ano ng tubig, oh? Ay, nako. Nag-dry na yung flowers, yo. Nag-dry. Ayan. Pabalik na tayo sa entrance.
Wait, I wanted to go to the other side.
Saang other side?
The other side, like the other part.
Pwede pa daw doon?
Yeah, that's not there.
Teka, next time. That's different eh. Ayan. So dito iba naman to. Stadium dyan. Doon lang yung sa Nikayuko Japanese Garden. Ito, going to the ano na to, park.
After visiting the Nikayuko Japanese Garden, we're checking out something huge. Literally, I'm standing in front of the Lethbridge Viaduct, also known as the High Level Bridge, the longest and tallest train bridge of its kind in the world. This massive steel bridge was built way back in 1909 and stretches over 1.6 kilometers across the Oldman River Valley. And get this, it's over 95 meters tall. If you want the best view, head down to Indian Battle Park or hike a bit for those epic shots from Scenic Drive. Trust me, this thing is massive in person. There's something really dramatic about seeing a train slowly crossing the thin line in the sky. Kinda feels like a movie moment. Back then, it was a huge engineering feat, and more than 100 years later, it's still in use. That's some serious staying power. That's it for today's little adventure to the High Level Bridge here in Lethbridge. If you're into hidden gems, industrial history, or just want a cool spot for your next photo op, this place should be on your list. Thanks for coming along with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd visit a place like this. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye! Thank you for watching.